Täna toimub siis õppus, kus kohas Ameerika Black Hawk lennuk teeb meditsiinilist evakuatsiooni liitlasvägede sõduritele. Liitlastele on ilmselgelt äärmiselt oluline, et neil on selline ressurss nagu regionaalhaigla traumakeskusena kättesaadav 24/7 ja meie loomulikult oleme 24/7 neile kättesaadavad igas olukorras, kui vaja peaks olema.
The importance of the cooperation between American forces and the hospital here in Tallinn. We have two entities who are capable individually but don't have a great history of working together, and so practicing an exercise like this today, it's important and it's good. If we were to receive a casualty that we needed to bring them here by helicopter, it's good to rehearse that to make sure we know how to talk to each other and everybody knows their role to provide the best care possible for that patient.
Suur väljakutse on tavaliselt just kommunikatsioon nii tsiviilpoole kui ka militaarpoole vahel, sest et nagu elu on näidanud, et raadiosagedused ei pruugi ühtida, kuidas kedagi teavitada, kellele helistada, et selle paikapanek ongi siis selliste õppuste üks eesmärk tegelikult. Ehk siis just panna paika selged kommunikatsiooniskeemid, sest et kui midagi juhtub, ehk siis reaalolukorras hakata neid paika panema, mis on tavaliselt tulemuseks selline päris korralik segadus. Ja sellepärast me neid õppuseid teemegi.
Hi, I'm Captain Alexopoulos. I'm one of the pilots for the UH-60 Black Hawk that came in and did training today. So for today, it was a really good training opportunity for us with our NATO partners up here in Estonia. The flight information services, Tallinn Tower, were all very helpful, and we're able to make this a really good training event for all of us. Being here at the hospital, it was great to see the ambulance up here, and we were able to work as one team together to be able to make this a really good training event. We had 2 patients come off and they were transported to the hospital afterwards, so really happy in how it turned out.